Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting up what you need and taking a quick backup so you can revert if necessary. Long press an empty area of the home screen to open launcher settings and widgets. This is where you control layout and grid. If you want deeper control, enable developer options or gestures now so you can change animation speeds and behavior. Once done, choose or confirm a default launcher and keep a screenshot of the current layout. That protects you while you make changes. Now you reshape how the home screen functions and looks. Start by adjusting the grid size and padding so icons and widgets fit cleanly across the tablet's larger display. This improves reach and aesthetics. Add widgets for calendar, notes, or media, then resize and stack them to save space. Assign tap actions when available. Install an icon pack or create custom shortcuts to unify visuals and drag apps into folders to reduce clutter. Make sure to test gestures, finish by polishing appearance and ensuring functionality across sessions. Choose a wallpaper that contrasts with your icons and enables ambient display if helpful. Apply separate lock screen settings if supported. Configure app and gesture shortcuts and reorder quick settings tiles for one-handed access. Once everything is placed, test reboot behavior and multi-window layout. If something breaks, clear the launcher cache, force stop the launcher, or reset home defaults. This usually restores responsiveness without losing your backup screenshot. That resolves most common layout problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.